In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your TikTok ads balance in just about 5 minutes. This is something many of you have been asking about, especially since keeping track of your advertising budget is crucial for running successful campaigns on TikTok. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to visit the TikTok ads homepage. It's quite straightforward. Just open up your preferred web browser and type in ads.tiktok.com into the address bar. This will direct you straight to the main landing page of TikTok's advertising platform. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing your advertising dashboard and subsequently your ads balance. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is where you'll type in your email and the password you've set up for your TikTok ads account. Make sure you've got these details right because they're the keys to unlocking your advertising kingdom. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the login button again to proceed. But hold on, your adventure doesn't end here. TikTok places a high priority on security, so you'll likely be asked to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is just a simple test to confirm you're not a robot. Complete it, click confirm, and you're almost there. Now, in some cases, TikTok will send a code to your email as an additional layer of security. If this happens, don't panic. Simply open your email, find the code sent by TikTok, and enter it in the provided space. This step verifies it's really you who's trying to access the account, adding another layer of security. Once you've successfully logged in and navigated these security measures, it's time to get down to business. Look for the Tools section. This can usually be found in the top menu. It's your gateway to many of TikTok ads functionalities, including managing your payment information. After clicking on Tools, you'll want to proceed to the Payment section. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Payment section is essentially the financial control room of your TikTok ads account. It's where all the magic happens concerning your ad spend. Within the Payment section, there's a specifically dedicated area named Finance. Click on it to move forward. Here you're getting closer to the real meat of today's tutorial, checking your ads balance. And finally, within the Finance section, you'll find the Payment Assets option. This is your final destination. Clicking here will reveal your TikTok ads balance. It's a straightforward display of your available funds, which can be crucial for planning your next campaigns or adjusting your current advertising strategies. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to check your TikTok ads balance. Remember, keeping a close eye on your ad spend is important for managing your budget effectively. It's also useful for making informed decisions that can enhance the success of your marketing efforts on this incredibly popular platform. Here are a couple of tips before we wrap up. Always ensure the email associated with your TikTok ads account is secure and accessible. This step is crucial for receiving important notifications and codes for verification purposes. Also, consider setting a regular schedule to check your ads balance. This practice will help you stay on top of your budget and make necessary adjustments in real time. I hope this guide has been helpful. TikTok ads can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal when used effectively, and managing your budget is a big part of that. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.